Has time crept up on you? Maybe you walked by a mirror and had to do a little double take and thought, when the heck did that happen? Well, if so, I just might be your new best friend. I'm Karen Gladman, and this is my brand new channel, Fresh After 50. I've worked in the beauty industry for over 25 years. I've helped thousands of women look and feel more confident in their own skin. I've learned that most of us don't want to look 25 again. We just want to look and feel our best and appear fresh, modern, and confident. On this channel, you can expect my help filtering through the overwhelming and frustrating skincare and makeup options that are on the market today. We'll figure out what's right for you. We'll have some fun with makeup tutorials. We'll talk skincare and how each and every one of us has completely different needs and wants. Beauty is definitely not a one-size-fits-all. Throughout my career, I was fortunate to grow and advance, which is great, but it took me further away from what I really love to do. Helping someone feel beautiful again is the most amazing feeling. My favorite moments are when I have a client and I see just this bright light shine in this aha moment when I share a simple trick that she knows that she can do at home. That is really my passion, and this channel is my way to share that with you. So if you'd like me to share all my tips, tricks, and knowledge with you, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and help me grow a community of fresh, modern, and confident women.